Hey guys, welcome back. I have been filming so many unboxings today. I feel like I'm gonna go crazy. All right, so what I have for you guys today, surprise guys, I got a February Ipsy Glam bag, the regular one. I had canceled this one since I got the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which I like so much better. I haven't had the Ipsy Glam Bag since I have now the Glam Bag Plus. And what happened is, supposedly, you had to pick either one or the other, the Ipsy Glam Bag or the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I obviously went towards the Glam Bag Plus. It was a much better deal. You got much better things. So I decided to just keep the Glam Bag Plus. Well, I later found out that you could actually have both subscription services. So while I don't know if I'm completely interested in having both of them, I did definitely want the February Ipsy Glam Bag because of this bag. You guys know that I'm obsessed with anything that has lip imprints on them. That is like my thing. So when I saw this bag, I'm like, I am getting this bag no matter what. So I like resubscribed. I emailed them, made sure that they were going to send me the February bag, and then I'm most probably going to cancel it after this because I just wanted this bag so bad. This is like, it's beautiful, guys. Take a look at it. Take it in. It's like a light blush. It looks white, but it's like more blush, like a light blush with like all these like reddish pinkish lip imprints on them. It's beautiful. All right, so what do we get in here? Ooh, that's so pretty. I really like what we got in here this month. Oh my God. First of all, look at this. Guys, you know me. This is a brush from Farrah Brushes, and it's a powder brush. Look at the color of this brush. Like, this is gonna be my new best friend. Look at this. Oh my God, this is so pretty. I love this. And look at the color of like the brush itself. Oh my God, I love this. I love this. I love this. Next thing in here is from Ciate London, and this is a Glow 2 highlighter. All right. This is in Moon Dust is the color. I don't want to, well, this, yeah, I'll swatch. Ooh, I'll swatch that. Oh God, got it everywhere. Look at the color better there. Look at it here, and then that's it. Can you even see that? Oh my gosh, I'm like so excited about the brush that I like don't care about opening anything else. Then we got 2 retinol infused eye masks, and these are like the ones for under your eyes. We get 2 of those. Next thing in here is a multi-X repair cream from Lab for You. And this says it instantly soothes and moisturizes skin after any irritation or damage. Guys, if you actually would be able to see this, you could see that the cream is like from here down. That I don't like too much. And the last thing in here is from Inara Cosmo Beauty, and this is a nail polish, which I'm liking the little top because it's rose gold, and this is in the color Pulse is what it says here, but it doesn't say it anywhere on the box though. It says it like on the, it says it on the card here, but it doesn't say it on the box. So that's the nail polish color. It's like a darkish red. Like the applicator is like the rectangle thing on a jig. But guys, that's all for the Ipsy Glam Bag. I swear, just these 2 things would be enough for me because I love this bag and I love this brush. I almost said blush. I love the bag and I love the brush. Oh my God, so excited. All right guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my craziness, and I will see you guys. I don't know, can you guys see that? I could see it now. It's pretty. It's a pretty highlight. It's like a pinky kind of highlight. I love you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you.